Mother discovers hidden letter. After daughter's death, what she found changed her life forever. In the quiet suburbs of Maplewood, the Johnson family lived a simple, happy life. Emily Johnson, a 17-year-old girl, was the family's shining star. Emily had a passion for the arts and music and dreamed of becoming a famous writer. She was always surrounded by friends, filling the house with her laughter and energy. However, her perfect life was suddenly shattered when Emily died in a car accident caused by a rare heart condition that was only discovered at the last moment. Emily's death deeply affected her family. Susan, her mother, was overwhelmed with grief and shock, while Michael, Emily's father, tried to be strong to support his wife. In the days following the funeral, Susan felt a pressing need to tidy up Emily's room as part of her healing process. The room was filled with mementos, Emily's artwork, her favorite books, and family photos. While cleaning, Susan discovered a small, decorated box hidden under an unfastened floorboard. The box gleamed slightly under the light, piquing her curiosity. Susan carefully opened the box and found an envelope sealed with the words, "To Mom." The envelope looked old and bore Emily's personal touches. With mixed emotions of curiosity and sorrow, Susan sat down to open the envelope. As she read the letter, she discovered that Emily had been suffering from severe depression for many years. In the letter, Emily described her feelings of loneliness and her inability to connect with others, even with her family, who thought they knew everything about her. She spoke of her moments of weakness and her belief that she couldn't ask for help. In the most touching part of the letter, Emily revealed that she had been secretly working on a significant project. She planned to create a nonprofit organization to support teenagers struggling with mental health issues. She explained how this project represented a refuge from her suffering and her hope to help others who faced similar experiences. She had already begun gathering information and drafting a plan, but she was unable to complete the project before her death. The letter included a heartfelt request. Emily asked her mother to carry on her dream. She urged Susan to turn the project into reality and not let her hopes fade with her passing. The letter contained hints on how to start the organization, including names of people who could offer assistance. Susan was profoundly affected by the letter. She decided to fulfill her daughter's request and, along with Michael, began planning to establish the Emily Johnson Foundation. They started fundraising and reaching out to mental health experts. They organized awareness events and workshops for teenagers and families, focusing on providing support and advice to young people facing similar challenges to those Emily had endured. Despite the accompanying sorrow, they found a new purpose and noble mission. The foundation was not just a reminder of Emily's death, but also a manifestation of her hope and vision to help others. The foundation became an inspiration for many, helping to raise awareness about mental health issues and breaking the barriers and silence surrounding them. Thanks to the letter, Susan and Michael found a way to turn their grief into positive action, giving new meaning to Emily's life and allowing her legacy to live on through the work she had inspired. Her story and message inspired many and opened new doors for understanding and aiding those in need. If you found this touching story meaningful and moving, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more amazing and inspiring stories. Your support helps us provide content that touches hearts and raises awareness on important issues. Subscribe now and hit the notification bell to be the first to see our latest updates.